Daddy's trying to get it again. Get it. Oh! You deserve that one, Daddy.
Izzy's toy time!
We got a construction site here that we need to put together. Who's gonna start?
I need tires.
Yeah.
Tires and turkeys there. Yes!
Almost done with the tires.
With
This goes on like this.
this.
You got it.
This.
Good job, Emma.
Good
Okay,
job.
it's a crane.
It's a crane.
Look at that. It goes up and then it goes like
Oh, cool. All right, let's get the next one. Let's come over here.
this. Put tires on.
Okay.
I know one. Yes! 2 tires on there. There. Like this. And this one like this. Oh, there's my screw. Okay, it's better.
What is it?
It's a dump truck.
All right, let's go do our next one. It's over here.
Make sure like this. Go like this. Over here and this here.
So this one goes on first, and that one goes on like so.
This.
So this goes here.
Okay.
Push it forward, click.
And
Now,
then I need this one.
yes.
Like this.
All right.
Good job.
Now we have our last one. It looks like a digger.
And like this, and like this. Upside down. And like this. And then goes here.
So this little tube goes in here like this. Hey!
This one.
Yay!
Excavator scoop.
Looks nice and tight.
Let's see it.
Good job.
Cool. All right, let's see them all.
Excavator, mixer, crane, and a dump truck.
Yeah. Let's get some goo.
Yeah.
Wow. Ugh, go.
Purple goo, please, in the dump truck. I think we need some cars. Burp, 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 burp. Let's get some cars. These guys or... Guys, what do you think? Pixar cars or Hot Wheels?
Both.
Both? I can't carry both.
You get that one. I'll get this one.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Woo, we haven't done a dump in a while.
Wow. Okay, let me try.
Right.
Okay.
It's so fun.
Whoa!
Whoa. Bubba, you did a finger hole.
Coming through. Guys, I'm making progress. I'm making progress.
Well, I make an eyeball.
You got 3 eyeballs. Wow.
Excuse me, coming through, guys. I'm coming through.
Yeah, let's go back to scoop it in the dump truck.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh, this is
So cool.
legit. Coming through, you're gonna. Oh.
Here, let me give you a little help. Oh, you're so close. All right. Okay. Okay, you got it. It's
Don't
yours.
tell my construction friends about the help. All right, I'm
Get
coming.
it in the dump truck.
All right, I'm coming to bring it in the dump truck. Gonna bring it in the.
It's coming.
In the.
Oh!
It made it.
It made it.
All right, I want it back. I'm taking it with me. All right, I'll see you guys later. Excuse me.
Save him, Bubba. You gotta save him, Bubba. That was fun.
Excuse me. Get it. Oh.
You got the finger test. Get that finger test.
I'm not doing anything.
Excavator down.
I'm not getting the goo.
Nope, Daddy's
look
not
over
touching
there.
the goo.
Bubba, look over there.
Oh, look at the cars. Get it. Hurry. Get it. Hurry before he comes back. Hurry,
Oh,
get
this is
it. This is it. Get it. Oh, come on, Daddy. You can get it. Get it. Oh, you got busted. Oh. pick the whole thing up right
Oh, it's
there.
happening. Guys, I have a new favorite toy. This
Right?
is amazing.
Isn't it so cool? Thanks, Edu.
For here.
Yeah, you got some. Let's just do it ourselves. Ew! Ew! Get it up! Get it up! Get it up! Get it up! Got you. You're clean. You're clean. What's Daddy doing?
Nothing.
Whoa! Oh, Daddy's going for it. Daddy's going for it. Get it, get it. Hurry before he comes. Oh.
Alright, I'm sorry, Bagoo.
Keep that purple goose safe. Go.
All or nothing. All or nothing.
The beginning for it.
Cool.
Help.
Oh, the cement mixer. We gotta fill it up so it can cement out.
Daddy need a truck and fill up goo, Daddy.
Okay.
And then you're gonna bring that goo to Daddy.
Air.
You're just waiting for it.
30 minutes to get.
Mama, this is garbage truck.
I'm like over here like.
This is the best toy ever.
Oh my gosh.
It needs to be on solid ground. Isn't
How
this the
cool.
coolest thing ever? Here it goes. Get him!
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Almost got one. Oh, get him just right. Ready? It's like one of those grab things.
Get it.
You can get the shark. Get him!
Get it.
Oh! Oh!
Hello. Sorry, buddy. We got it.
Oh, get him in!
Man, he's just.
Isn't this the coolest thing? Get him! Oh, we almost got him. Ah! Well, guys, I'd say we had a really good time here, especially Daddy.
Get me!
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, look.
Oh!